Taurus Pistols, produced by the Brazilian firearms manufacturer Forjas Taurus, have gained recognition for their affordability and reliability. With a history spanning over 8 decades, Taurus offers a range of handguns suitable for self-defense, concealed carry, and sport shooting. These firearms provide budget-friendly options while still delivering functionality and performance, making them accessible to a wide variety of gun owners. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 8. Taurus G3 9mm Pistol, that combines performance, affordability, and versatility. Chambered in 9mm, it offers a perfect blend of manageable recoil and potent firepower suitable for various shooting applications. The G3 features an ergonomic grip with textured surfaces for a secure and comfortable hold, ensuring confident control in any situation. Its crisp trigger and 3-dot sights enable precise shot placement and rapid target acquisition. With a generous 15+ 1-round capacity and Taurus's commitment to safety, the G3 is a reliable choice for self-defense or range sessions. Whether you're a first-time gun owner or an experienced shooter, the Taurus G3 delivers dependable performance without breaking the bank. Elevate your shooting experience with the G3, where affordability meets excellence in a 9mm pistol. Number 7. Taurus TX22 Competition, a high-performance 22 LAR pistol designed to elevate your shooting experience. This innovative handgun offers a perfect balance of accuracy, ergonomics, and reliability, making it a top choice for competitive shooting and recreational plinking. The TX22 Competition boasts a full-size polymer frame with an adjustable rear sight and a fiber optic front sight for precise target acquisition. Its crisp, clean trigger pull enhances shot control and accuracy, while the 16-round magazine capacity keeps you in the action longer. The pistol's lightweight design and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable handling, even during extended shooting sessions. Whether you're a seasoned competitor or a recreational shooter, the Taurus TX22 Competition sets a new standard for 22 LR handguns, providing an exceptional blend of performance and affordability. Elevate your shooting game with the TX22 Competition, where precision meets fun on the range. Number 6. Taurus GX4 T.O.R.O 9mm Optic Ready Micro Compact Pistol, a groundbreaking micro-compact pistol chambered in 9mm that's redefining concealed carry. The GX4 T.O.R.O, Optic Ready, takes compact firepower to the next level by offering compatibility with red dot optics. This innovative design allows for rapid target acquisition and enhanced accuracy in a micro-compact package. With its ergonomic grip, aggressive texturing, and a crisp trigger pull, the GX4 T.O.R.O ensures confident control and precision shot placement. It features a generous magazine capacity and Taurus's unwavering commitment to safety, making it an ideal choice for personal protection. Number 5. Taurus G3 T.O.R.O, a 9mm pistol that blends cutting-edge innovation with exceptional value. This optic-ready T.O.R.O version of the popular G3 model takes your shooting experience to new heights by accommodating various red dot optics, enhancing target acquisition and accuracy. With an ergonomic grip and aggressive texturing, the G3 T.O.R.O ensures a comfortable and secure hold, even in high-stress situations. The pistol features a generous magazine capacity and a smooth, consistent trigger pull, making it a versatile choice for self-defense or range use. Whether you're an experienced shooter looking to upgrade your firearm with an optic or a newcomer seeking a reliable and feature-packed handgun, the Taurus G3 T.O.R.O delivers an unbeatable combination of performance and affordability. Elevate your shooting game with the G3 T.O.R.O, where innovation meets practicality in a 9mm pistol. Number 4. Taurus GX4XL, a compact powerhouse designed to redefine concealed carry. Chambered in 9mm, this innovative handgun combines remarkable firepower with a slim and concealable form factor. The GX4XL features a longer slide and barrel compared to its predecessor, the GX4, offering enhanced accuracy and improved sight radius for more precise shooting. Its ergonomic grip, customizable back straps, and crisp trigger pull ensure comfortable control and dependable shot placement. With a generous magazine capacity, Taurus's commitment to safety, and a compact design that's perfect for discreet carry, the GX4XL is an ideal choice for personal protection. Whether you're an experienced concealed carrier or new to the world of compact handguns, the Taurus GX4XL sets a new standard for performance, making it the perfect companion for those who prioritize both power and concealability. Elevate your concealed carry experience with the GX4XL, where innovation meets reliability in a compact masterpiece. Number 3. Taurus G3c. A compact powerhouse designed for concealed carry and everyday defense. Chambered in 9mm, this pistol offers a perfect balance between firepower and concealability. With its ergonomic grip and textured surfaces, the G3c ensures a comfortable and secure hold, providing confidence in every shot. The crisp trigger pull and 3-dot sights contribute to precise shot placement, making it suitable for self-defense or range sessions. Taurus's commitment to safety is evident in the G3c, with features like the manual safety and loaded chamber indicator. Whether you're a seasoned concealed carrier or a first-time handgun owner, the Taurus G3c delivers reliable performance and affordability. Elevate your personal protection with the G3c, where compact design meets dependability, ensuring you're always prepared when it matters most. Number 2. Taurus SPECTRUM 380 Auto Micro Pistol. A groundbreaking firearm designed to redefine concealability, style, and functionality. Chambered in 380 ACP, this micro pistol combines minimal recoil with impressive firepower, making it an ideal choice for discreet carry. The SPECTRUM boasts a unique and customizable design with interchangeable color accents, allowing you to match your personal style. Its ergonomic grip and soft touch panels provide a comfortable and confident hold, while the smooth, consistent trigger pull ensures accuracy. With integrated safety features and an innovative striker-fired system, the SPECTRUM is a reliable companion for everyday self-defense. Whether you're a seasoned concealed carrier or new to the world of micro pistols, the Taurus SPECTRUM offers a perfect blend of innovation and practicality, ensuring you're always prepared while making a statement. Elevate your concealed carry experience with this SPECTRUM, where form meets function in a 380 auto micro pistol. Number 1. Taurus G3XL, a 9mm pistol designed to redefine compact power. Building on the success of the G3 series, the G3XL takes it a step further with an extended slide and barrel, offering enhanced accuracy and sight radius. Chambered in 9mm, it combines manageable recoil with impressive firepower, making it ideal for both concealed carry and range shooting. The G3XL features an ergonomic grip with textured surfaces for a secure and comfortable hold, ensuring confidence with every shot. Its crisp trigger pull and 3-dot sights contribute to precise shot placement. With a generous magazine capacity, Taurus's commitment to safety, and a slim profile, the G3XL is a versatile choice for self-defense. Whether you're an experienced concealed carrier or new to handguns, the Taurus G3XL sets a new standard for compact performance, providing the perfect blend of power and concealability. Elevate your shooting experience with the G3XL, where innovation meets reliability in a 9mm pistol.